Welcome to my lab. One of the nice things about BLAST that has afforded me to have my lab renovated, and I also was able to get some new equipment for my lab to help my students out with their research projects. So I was able to get new flooring. The flooring previously was actually none, it was just cement. And new countertops. Before I had countertops that were neither heat resistant or chemical resistant. So this is a great addition to the lab. And over here, we also have a bench where we, when they did the renovations, they cut this out because it used to go all the way over to what I used to have was a fume hood here. And thanks to BLAST, I have a new biological safety cabinet. And so within a BLAST Equipment Award, I also was able to get a large bacterial culture incubator, as well as a CO2 incubator for future work with mammalian cells. And I was also able to get a minus 80 degrees freezer to store our bacterial cultures and for storage of tissue samples as well.
Hi, my name is Jamie Putkata. We can see the effects of global warming the most up in the Arctic, from the depletion of ice, changes in plant life, and microorganisms. We are looking at microorganisms in the Arctic tundra. We have collected soil samples from the organic layer, topsoil, and permafrost layer. I have been isolating bacteria colonies in the permafrost layer. We are isolating the bacteria to create a baseline to see how the population abundance changes over time as the temperature changes in the Arctic.
Hello, my name is Olive Kanirak. I am working on bacterial growth in the soil samples. The reason why we're doing this is we are concerned about global warming and how there could be some bacteria that could be disastrous to the Arctic animals and the plant life.
Hi, my name is Cece and I'm in the Allied Health Program at Isag College for nursing. I'm working on looking at how ocean acidification affects microbials in the Arctic ice. This is important because we have a sympagic food web here, which consists of the phytoplankton, who feed the zooplankton, who feed the mammals and fish, and so forth. That also affects subsistence hunting. A lot of the Alaskan natives, they fish and they whale, and the community relies heavily on subsistence hunting.
This is a student-driven project. So as new students come in, I have Jamie and Olive train them. So we have Dorcas Maupin, who will be attending Illisabic in the fall. She's a student in training. And then you also have Miriam Barr, who is attending Illisabic this semester and will continue throughout the next year. And she is a student in training. And also we have another visiting student from Minnesota, and her name is Courtney Bunker, who came up here to Illisabic for a semester in the Arctic. And she's interested in applying to UAF and applying for the BLAST scholarship.
This BLAST research has benefited me because it shows how I can be in kind of the professional world of STEM. So I've learned a lot of different techniques, how to write grants, all sorts of things. And it's also brought me to be more aware of the environmental sciences behind all of this. I can use this in the future. I know that a lot of these techniques that I'm learning in the lab, I will be using in nursing school in my clinicals, as well as if I go forth to graduate school, I'll also be able to use these in graduate school.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
I forgot her name.
What was I supposed to say?
They said thanks.
Dang it, I looked away from the camera.
So it's a student-driven project. Oh my goodness. And this project, turn around real quick. Okay.
How ocean acidific, that was worded badly. We rely, dang it, oops, have to restart that.
Okay.
Thank you.
What, we're gonna say thank you?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Nice.